Welcome to Berkshire Used Cars and our latest video for this SEAT Ateca. This is the 2-litre TDi 4Drive Xcellence model, 6-speed manual, first registered 14th of September 2016 on a 66 registration. Just the one former keeper from new, having completed just under 46,000 miles with a full service history comprising 4 services. The last one done March 21 at 45,900 miles. MOT is valid through until the 25th of Jan 2022. The car's got a very good set of tyres, 5.4 and 6.1mm of tread on the fronts and 5.7 and 5.8mm of tread to the rears. The Euro 6 diesel engine is compliant with the ultra low emission zones in London, produces 150 bhp. Manufacturer's claimed average of 55.4 to the gallon, and it's a tax band D, 129 grams of CO2, which equates to £125 a year road tax. Cam belt isn't due until the vehicle's 5 years old or 140,000 miles. The exterior of this Ateca is finished in Nevada white metallic, with the interior full black leather. Isofix location points to both outer rear seats. The front seats are heated. Electric windows to the front and rear. Electric folding wing mirrors. Automatic LED headlights with LED daytime running lights. Automatic windscreen wipers. Cruise control. Keyless entry and keyless start, as well as satellite navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for phone, as well as Bluetooth music streaming. This model features app assist, so Android Auto, Apple CarPlay connectivity, as well as AM/FM radio, DAB radio, CD player, auxiliary, twin USB inputs, as well as the phone charging tray, which is located just there. Front parking sensors with rear parking camera and top view camera also feature on this model. The car is now fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away the same day as viewing. Be supplied with both remote control keys, full set of tailored carpet mats, as well as the book pack present. Thank you for watching this latest video brought to you by Berkshire Used Cars, and should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch, or alternatively do visit our website, which is berkshireusedcars.co.uk, where you'll find full information regarding the warranties on offer, customer testimonials, as well as a part exchange form, an interactive finance calculator. The advertised offer is on the basis of a 20% deposit over a 48-month term with monthly payments of £283.96. That's a 4% per annum fixed rate, APR of 9.4. Thank you for watching this latest video.